Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, and today I'm bringing you guys another video on Apecoin. That is right, we are talking about the Bored Ape Yacht Club token, guys. It has been on an absolute tear over the last couple days here. Now there's some volatility, y'all, but here's a key here. I want to say this for you guys right up front in the very beginning of this video. Apecoin is legit, and when I say that, I mean it ain't just a meme coin, guys. This is more than a meme coin. There's some pretty good tokenomics, and there's a lot to explore with the project. I'm going to dive into that in today's video. Before I do, make sure you smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. It does help us out. We do appreciate all those subscriptions, guys. We'll keep the content coming. Also, if you want some free money, take advantage of the links in the description down below. I got some free signups to crypto.com and Femex. When you deposit money into Femex, you guys will get some free money, which you guys can put into a trade right away. So make sure you're taking advantage. All right, without further ado, let's jump into today's video about Apecoin. All right, so let's take a peek at the market. We're sitting right around that $2 trillion mark, guys, and Apecoin has been on a mission. And that mission is to get into the top 20. Now, it is currently sitting at rank number 32, y'all. So we are climbing. It's at $17. Now, I bought this token at $13. So really good gains so far. But as you can see, over the last 7 days, it's up 30%. Over the last 24 hours, it's up 28%. So really, all of its price action happened like today here. So we're going to have to see what happens here over the next week, month to come. Now, the key here is we're waiting on Bitcoin, as always. Now, what I will say is when a coin that's as popular as Apecoin, which is a legitimate project, and a Shiba Inu, which is more of a meme coin, right? And a Dogecoin is more of a meme coin, which have been legitimized by kind of the Elon Musks and communities really as a whole. But when those projects start to pump wild like this, in my mind, that's a sign. And that's a sign that the crypto markets are about to get bullish. Potentially. So you got to keep an eye on it because that could be happening. And this pump on Apecoin could be a sign of great things to come. Let me know what you guys think about that theory in the chat box down below. But let me show you guys. We'll take a look at the actual chart here. So here's the last day. So this pump really happened here last night, really. So over the course of last night, it pumped up, and it's been fighting and coming back down, and now we're kind of going to go up. I wouldn't be surprised if we woke up tomorrow and there was a little bit more price action upwards. So we'll have to see, but that is a huge pump, so there is a chance that we have some downward momentum. Now, one thing I want to point out to you guys as well, as I'm going to look at the all-time charts. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, we broke above the all-time high, which means we're in that wonderful thing I like to call price discovery mode. So you might see Apecoin start to print, ladies and gentlemen. It might start printing, and it could make its way, like I said, to the top 10. I do believe that Apecoin is at least a top 20. A top 20 token. Now, could it make it into the top 10? It certainly could. But here's what I want to explore for you guys. It's got a market cap of about just under $5 billion, okay? Well, what is it going to take for Apecoin to get into the top 20 tokens? Well, at $5 billion, if it doubles, it gets to $10 billion, and that puts it right above DAI and right under Chronos, and it hits the number 20 spot. Now, if it keeps climbing and it gets to 15 billion, well, then all of a sudden, now you're talking. Now you're beating Shiba Inu, and it would surpass Shiba Inu, which is a meme coin, like it or not. Now, they do have projects, Shiba Swap, but it's a meme coin. It could pass Shiba Inu, potentially, if it hits that $15 billion market. Now, in order to get to the top 10, it would have to go, again, $5 billion market cap for Apecoin. It would actually need to 4x. It would need to get to $21 billion past Avalanche. You need to get just over a 4x, 400% gain. So do we think that this could go upwards of $80? Well, it's potential. It's at $17 right now. You're looking for about a 4x. It needs to get to about $75, $80, but that's a lot of volume. So we have a lot of price movement to do. But I will tell you, when you look at the chart and you do see Apecoin breaking through its all-time high here, And hitting price discovery mode, there's certainly a chance, guys. There is certainly a chance, but we will need Bitcoin and the rest of the markets to go up as well. Now, I want you always to check out the community. You got to look at the Twitter, and the Twitter's growing. We've looked at this thing under 250K followers. Now they're about to pass 300K followers. I'm sure by the next time I do a video on this, they're going to pass 300K followers. And the key here is look at how fast they're growing. They only joined in February of 2022, guys. It's a brand new project. It is not a meme coin. The tokenomics, guys, are legitimate. When you're looking at a Shiba Inu and you're looking at a Dogecoin, it's extremely inflationary. And I'm not necessarily saying that Apecoin is not. We could dive into that in a later video, but there are not as many tokens. The supply is not as ridiculous as some of the meme coins, and it's legitimate. It's centered around a very legitimate project, Bored Ape Yacht Club. And though NFTs right now are taking a little bit of a dip, they're still holding an incredible floor price of over $100,000. You know, they used to be at $250,000, but the Bored Ape Yacht Clubs are still very valuable, clearly, and Apecoin has a lot of price movement ahead of it, and I think it's upward. We're in price discovery mode, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the chat box down below. That's all I got for you in this one. I'm going to keep it brief and simple for you guys today. If Apecoin isn't on your radar yet, well, maybe it should be. All right, let me know what you guys think in the chat box down below. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. And remember, guys, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and you always got a DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.